You might have seen these viral AI videos about baby animal fight. They are fun, creative, and absolutely adorable. Let's make this. Tools you will need: Midjourney for generating baby and animal image, Kling and High-Low AI to bring motion and extra creativity. I also compare these two in this video later. Part 1. Creating baby and animals. Let's start by creating our characters in Midjourney. I start with simple prompt like a baby and a cat to martial arts duo. Then you're ready. Just change the ratio to 9:16. Play with stylization. I will go with 300. If you wanna see higher quality images, add some prompt like ultra realistic cinematic style. You can also change the background whatever you want. I typed Sydney Opera House because it's a kangaroo.
Oi.
Part 2. Building the fight scene. For video, I tried a bunch of prompts and this is the final one. And I will compare Kling, High-Low AI, and Runway. Kling is overall fine, can extend video as well in Kling 1.0. And High-Low is very good at exaggerated action, but cannot extend video. Runway is not really the one for this kind of extreme animation. So I used Kling and High-Low AI. Part 3. Add sound effect. Our video is ready. Now we need sound in Pixabay. I downloaded a bunch of sound effects like punching sound, cat, chicken sound. Just bring them all into DaVinci or any video editing software you like. Then export it. And there you have it. A complete quick guide to creating your own AI viral baby animal fight video. Share this in platforms like Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and also with your friends for fun. Okay? This is pretty much about this video. I will see you in the next one. See ya.